Mitsubishi Electric's direct view LED products are manufactured for 24/7 operation and tested to meet the reliability and quality expectations of the control room market. A highly accelerated stress testing, HAST, is conducted on all LED components to ensure minimum downtime, a major concern in mission-critical applications. Mitsubishi Electric's lineup of direct view LED consists of various pixel pitch sizes and resolutions available with internal or external power and rear or front service access. Some of the direct view LED exclusive features include anti-burning. The anti-burning feature addresses the fundamental problem of non-uniform pixel aging. The anti-burning feature preserves color uniformity and extends the operational lifetime of the LEDs. The uncompressed 14-bit per color interface. Mitsubishi Electric's direct view LED is capable of delivering uncompressed 14-bit per color video between the input control unit and the LED panels, allowing for high-quality image performance and data processing. The advanced video processing features of the direct view LED include a natural color matrix, which enhances the picture quality and provides an exceptionally wide color reproduction. The dynamic gamma, which improves the contrast ratio of the content, especially with darker images. And the two-dimensional noise reduction, which reduces visible noise in compressed images, such as MPEG formats. Other additional features include our exclusive intelligent power control, which allows thresholds to be set that will limit the peak power for each section of the video wall. Smart switch, film mode, and frame lock, just to name a few. All Mitsubishi Electric direct view LEDs are made in Japan, which makes the product TAA compliant and highly reliable. The direct view LEDs also come with an undisputed 5-year standard warranty. To learn more about Mitsubishi Electric's direct view LED product, features and benefits, or how it fits in your applications, visit us at mitsubishi-displaywall.com or contact one of our video wall experts today.
Audio Jungle.